In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook okra the perfect way and a good and lovely, easy technique. Here we have some okra, and what am I going to do? I'm going to give them a quick wash. Here I have some water. What am I going to do? I'm going to add a bit of bicarbonate into the water. We're going to pour our okra in. So we're going to give them a quick wash, and then we're going to strain the water off. If you're new here, my name is Linden and welcome to the channel. So these okra is what I have in my fridge, so I'm going to utilize it. We're going to go ahead and we're going to cut the tips off like that. So we're going to repeat the same process. So what am I going to do now with these? I'm going to cut them in slices. You can cut them slant if you want them. All that is personal preference. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to cut through them like this. So that's the size I want them. So this is the size that I want them. And then we're going to move to the next process. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to cook the okra off, and I'm going to show you my version of cooking it. Get yourself some good quality oil. So we're going to go ahead, put your okra in. Make sure to start seasoning this. I'm using some all-purpose seasoning that I made up for myself. That's personal preference. A lot of people don't know how healthy okra is. Okra is very healthy. It is packed with vitamin K, vitamin C. It's also good for weight loss, good for lowering your blood sugar, and it's also good for damaged cells. The next thing I'm going to add to this, because I want it to be very tasty, I have two different onions here. Red onion, bit of white onion, or some people call it yellow onion, bit of garlic. We have peppers here, tomato. Gonna add all that in. Gonna give them a bit of touch of seasoning again. And what I'm doing now, I'm letting it sweating it off. So here I have some fresh chopped thyme. Just add a bit of extra flavor to this. This also can be used as side dish, you know, good for vegetarian. What I'm going to add to this, which is personal preference, is half of a vegetable stock cube. So I'm just breaking it up in this. And then we're going to add a little bit of water to this. Now to add a little bit of spice to this or heat, I'm just going to put some chili flakes over this, not much. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do find value in this content, please do consider to like, share, subscribe, do leave a positive comment. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.